How to log in to AliExpress account. So if you want to log in to AliExpress account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for AliExpress. And after searching, on the first search you will have www.aliexpress.com. Click on that. And now it will take you to the web page or the website. So now if you want to log in to your AliExpress account, then you can go to the upper right corner which says account, and under account you will have two options, register or sign in. So if you don't have an account, then you can click on register and then you can create your account, or if you want to log in or sign in, then you can go to sign in and click on sign in. So now to sign in, you can sign in or continue with your Google or your Facebook or Twitter or Apple. So after entering your email address, on the first blank you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option right below that blank. You can simply click on forgot password and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your email address and then your password, and you can click on sign in. And that's it. That's the way to log in or sign into your AliExpress account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.